Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video we are going to be making the needle and yarn slash thread stitch cornrows, so stay tuned. So I'm going to start by taking down my almost 2 months cornrows. After that, I'm going to part my hair into 2 sections and then detangle it and as well moisturize my hair. Okay, and all the product I used in this video will be listed down below. If you guys are interested, you can check it out. So as you guys can see, I applied a lot of product, but it's okay because it's going to melt away anyways. And I did not use gel on this hairstyle, okay? And it's my first time trying this hairstyle out, so keep on watching guys, so you guys can see how I achieved the stitch cornrows. Okay, and I saw a couple of YouTubers did it on their daughter's hair, and I wanted to do it on my daughter's hair too, but I think she's too young for this kind of hairstyle in my opinion. Okay, and I decided to try it on myself by myself, if you know what I mean. I must say this is not the easiest hairstyle to do, okay, but just keep on watching so that you guys can see how I achieve the beautiful stitch cornrows. Okay, so now that I am done detangling my hair, I will start sewing. Okay, so let me try to explain to you guys what is going on here. So I'm going to start by passing the needle through my hair on the front side. I'm going to pass it 3 times just to secure the hair very well. If you guys can see, I did it 3 times. After that, I will go on my left side. I'm going to pass the needle through my hair and then pull it out in the middle of this section, and then I will go on my right side and then pass the needle through my hair again, and then I will pull it out in the middle. That will give you the cornrows look, guys. And I don't know if I explain it very well for you guys, but I'm going to leave you to watch the video so you guys can see what I'm doing and see how I achieve the cornrows look. So keep on watching, guys. So guys, it was a struggle on the back side because I couldn't see what I was doing. I couldn't see where to place the needle, but it's okay. That is what happened when you decided to take matter in your hand, okay? So I went ahead and did the low bun off camera because I have a video on my YouTube channel on how to achieve a beautiful low bun. I'm going to put it underneath of this video so you guys can go and show me some love. Please comment down below if you will be trying this hairstyle by yourself, on yourself, if you know what I mean, or you will have somebody to do it for you. And also comment down below and tell me how I did for the first time. But I think I did a great job. What do you guys think? Please leave your comment down below, and do not forget to hit the red button down below if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.